Another problem for our VD support, synchronous online discussion. Next problem, the nose of an ultralight plane. So we are at relative velocities. The nose of an ultralight plane is pointed south. So south siya, and its speed indicator shows 35 meters per second. The plane is in 10 meters per second wind blowing toward the southwest. So papunta dito, I think we have to draw. Its airspeed indicator shows 35 meters per second. 35 meters per second. So we have to draw yung plane mo. Yun lang. Hinay sir mag-drawing. So, ano yan? 35 meters per second pointed. The plane is pointed south. Flight plane is pointed south, and its airspeed indicator shows 35 meters per second. So diretso lang siya yung plane. Parang paano ba mag-draw ng plane? Ganyan na lang. Pasensyahan nyo na yung plane ko. Ganyan. Parang murag kwaknit man na, sir. Mahina talaga ako mag-drawing. Pasensya, guys. Really good at this. Huwag mo nang pagandahin yan, sir. Talaga yan, masamang tingnan. Basta parang may wings siyang ganun. Ganun. Wag mo nang pagandahin yan, sir. Okay, ganun na yan. 35 meters per second. Due south siya. So, 35 meters per second. And then, a plane is in 10 meters per second. The plane is in 10 meters per second, wind blowing toward the southwest relative to the earth. So this is wind. May wind papunta rito. Wind. Yung wind is yun, wind. Yung wind is southwest. Pag sinabing southwest, 45 degrees yan siya. Di man yan siya nagbigay ng angle. The plane is in 10 meters per second, wind blowing toward the southwest relative to the earth. So 10 meters per second to siya. 10 meters per second. Okay? In a vector addition diagram, show the relationship VPE. Letting x be east and y be north, find the components of VPE. Find the magnitude and direction of. Letting x be east and y be north, find the components of VPE. That is plane with respect to earth. Plane with respect to earth. Parang ito yun kailangan nating isolve. Plane, the velocity of the plane with respect to earth. Bakit? Ano ba yung ito? Yung 35 meters per second, right, pointed south, and its airspeed. So with respect to wind to siya. Kasi airspeed diba? Sa air. So 35 meters per second, ito yung I think you have to watch out for the words really. 35 meters per second, this is the velocity of the plane with respect to the wind or air. Diba? Kasi yung wind mo is air din yan na bumubuga. Okay? Of course, if this 10 meters per second is the velocity of the wind with respect to the earth. So, ibig sabihin yung VPE mo, velocity of plane with respect to earth is the velocity of the plane with respect to the wind plus the velocity of the wind with respect to the earth. Simple. Okay? So, ano yung una niyang tanong? Letting x, mga xy. Find the magnitude and direction na lang. Yun lang. Bakit pinahirap pa? Magnitude and direction. So, for letter, parang letter C lang yung answer kasi yun lang malalabas sa quiz ko. Mga ganun. But anyway, the other is important but you have to do it on your own. XY, eh. Plane, so that would be plane with respect to wind, that would be N. .35. So that is 35 meters per second. 35 meters per second, pababa lang. So that would be a negative. Negative. And then J hat lang siya. J hat. Okay? Samantalang yung wind mo is meron siyang negative x at saka negative y. So negative 10 tapos magko-cosine ka dito ng 45. Cosine kasi yung word na 45 kasi yun yung word na southwest. Southwest. Pag southwest lang, di ba, sa bearing, I don't know kung na-discuss ko to. Sa bearing kasi, ito is north, ito east, ito west, ito south. Pag nasa gitna nila, 45 degrees, tinatawag itong northeast. Ito, sa gitna naman nila, tinatawag itong southeast. Ito, tinatawag itong southwest. At ito, 45. Puro 45 degrees tinatawag itong northwest. Kaya lang, pag maglagay ka na ng angle, tulad nito, maglagay ka dito ng mas mababa dito, tatawagin tong, let's say, the angle is 25 degrees. Kasi hindi umabot ang 45. Tatawagin to siyang 25 east of north. Yun yung usual niya na notation. So, east of north. So, galing sa north of north, mag 20 degrees ka east. Yun yung mga bearing. Okay? Anyway, patuloy ako dito. Negative 10 cosine 45 at saka magni-negative din ako sa I hat to siya. I hat. And then, magni-negative din ako sa J hat which is 10 sine 45 J hat. So, makikita mo, yung unahin natin yung I hat, so that would be a 10 cosine 45 I hat. Okay? And then you would have a J hat. 35 minus 10, magiging plus 2 siya. Kasi pareho silang negative. So, negative 35 minus 35 minus 10, negative 35 minus 10 sine 45. So that would give us 42.0711 meters per second on your J hat. Ito, pwede ko itong i-resolve. But anyway, that is in 6 significant figures. That is 10 cosine 45. So that is 7.07. So negative 7.07107 meters per second on your I hat. So this is your VPE. Ganyan. VPW at saka VP. Nalimutan ko na yung sa taas. So that is my VPE as a vector, negative 42.0711 meters per second J hat. So, sabihin, kung gusto ko ng VPE, I would have the magnitude to be that would give me 42.7 meters per second. So ito, in-squared ko, i-squared mo to at i-squared mo yan because it's the x and the y. Tapos, i-square root mo. Ito yung lalabas, 42.7 meters per second. And for the direction, of course, alam mong papunta dito yung plane. Magmo-move dito yung plane because of the wind. So, that angle would be, of course, equal to arctan. At ito yung y, 42.0711 divided by 7.07107. So, parang kung i-graph ko siya, nandito yung movement ng plane mo at ito yung angle na makukuha ko. Again, your arctan is always, pag tinatanggal mo yan, always nakadikit yan sa x-axis. So, arctan 42.0711 divided by 7.07107. And the answer is 80. 80.5. I think pwede na dito 80. 80 degrees. Pero kung naka-quiz to, of course, galing ako dito. So, that would be a 180 plus. So, 180 plus. So, plus 180. So, talaga yung answer dito, from my quiz, sa quiz ko is 260. So, answer is 260 degrees. But anyway, for this, I think the book answer would be 80 and then ito drawing yan, ito yung 80 degrees. Kasi may drawing at saka may angle yung usual na direction dun sa book na ginagamit natin. Ha? As far as I can remember. Kasi medyo din na rin ako nagbabasa, nabasa ko na rin yan lang ulit. Okay, so this is the magnitude and this one is your direction. Okay, thank you guys for listening.